Oh my gosh.
I ate all them last night too. That was the first one. That was two. And you talking about you spicy. Here, hold
You
this
think
up.
she wouldn't be able to notice that?
I'll leave clothes anyway. And then there's shit over here. And then, shit. Man, are you serious? And they were good. I'm getting a turd. There's a turd over here by it. How he got here, I don't know. Seriously? Mom? It didn't mean to throw them in the road. Ow, fudge. I dropped them last night. The whole damn thing. The whole container. Last night. But then it was 5 o'clock in the morning, too.
You forgot some shits down
I
there.
don't give a shit. Here, she ain't gonna see those.